area element for this portion of the cuboid. Okay, so E is already given to us in this direction. Why it is given to us in this direction? Because sheet is like this. So according to the rule of the direction of the electric field should go outwards. So electric field is this side. So area element's direction is also this side, according to the rule that the direction of the area element is always perpendicular to this surface. Okay, so S. Fine. So what is the angle between E and S here? Theta is equal to 0. Similarly, for the surface number 2, let us finish. E is in this direction. Electric field due to this charge is outwards radially. That's why it is outwards in that direction. And according to the rule of the area element, direction, okay, that direction is also along E. So what is theta for the surface 2? 0. Similarly, whether it is the surface number 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 of the cuboid, everywhere for two surfaces I will show. This is the surface S1 I can say, because it is a cuboid. S is not equal to S1. This is also S1. The area element direction go upwards, but the electric field remains in this direction or this direction. So for surface number 3, the angle between the electric field and the area element S1 is given as theta is equal to, theta 3 I can write is equal to 90. Similarly here theta 4 is equal to 90. Okay, cos 90 is 0, so we can avoid considering surface 3, 4, 5, 6, because all the angles between the electric field and the area element will be 90 degrees. So we will be left over only with two surfaces, that is surface 1 and surface 2. Clear? For surface 1, the angle between E and S is 0 degree. For surface 2, the angle between E and S is also 0 degree. For surface 3, the angle between S and E, S1 and E is 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0, so that flux need not be considered. For surface number 4, the angle between S1 and E is again 90 degrees, as you can see. So cos 90 is 0. So for that surface also, surface number 4 also, you can avoid writing the flux. So we have flux only through two surfaces, 1 and 2. Fine. Okay. So I am writing